Hannah, in the cupboard.
Where is it?
Right there. Look. Under there. Get the beans for Mama.
Where is it?
Open the door.
That one?
Yeah. And get the can of beans right there.
Want to taste those?
The can of beans.
That one?
Hannah, the can of beans.
Where is the can?
See, the can? Right there, in the front. Hannah, no, the can. Right there, see the beans on the can?
Yeah.
Hannah, look at Mom. Right there.
Where is
Right,
it?
look. Look at my finger. There. Right there in the front, the can of beans. Nope, right there in the front, the beans. Yeah, pick it up. Look.